I'm Heather with WTI. I found the solution to a problem I was having. When I work from home, I feel like I'm inactive and I don't get to get out and move as much as I'd like. With the FYC under desk treadmill, now you can do both. It's a 2-in-1 folding treadmill. It has 2.5 horsepower. It's solved my problem and it is helping me to stay active while I'm working at home. Let me show you how fantastic this is. It comes with a remote control, installation free. So as soon as this showed up, it turned on, it worked beautifully, and it runs very smoothly. It is exactly what I wanted. I like that there are rollers that allow you to wheel it away. It folds up and can easily tuck away into a corner when not using it. When the arm is up, it goes to 7.5 miles an hour. When the arm is down, 4 for walking. You can adjust the speed easily from the bar or just use the remote.
It really is so smooth and quiet. Everyone in our family has enjoyed this treadmill. We have had this set up in our basement workout area as well as up in our living area.
And the quality is on point. I love being able to take care of my work while staying active. Well, this is the solution. If you're looking to stay active while working, this might be the answer for you as well, but that's my point of view.